Does anybody else have spring fever? I know that I do. It's springtime here and I love spring. And we're gonna be doing a kids yoga adventure that's all about spring fever. So come onto your yoga mats and let's do it. All right, are you ready? Here we go. All you need is yourself. Get comfy, wear something comfy, and we're gonna get right into it. So this is an adventure that you and I are gonna take, and we get to be the heroes of this story. So it's about springtime. So to begin, let's take a trip to a place, a meadow, a beautiful, sweet meadow where it's early spring and everything's coming out of hibernation. In order for us to get there, though, we really do need to go on our bicycles. So let's come on down to the ground and do some yogi bicycles. All right, here we go. Nice and strong. We're gonna pedal, pedal, pedal. Come all the way down. Put your hands behind your back and let's pedal our way to the meadow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go to 10, 4, keep breathing, 5, looking good, 6, smile, 7, 8, 9, and 10 yogi bicycles. We made it to the meadow. So pretty here. Do you smell the flowers? Do you see the blue sky? Do you feel the air so warm on your skin? Take a moment and even close your eyes and imagine how beautiful it is here. I'm so glad we decided to come here. What a perfect day to be here in the meadow. Everything is coming out of hibernation. It's been such a long winter. Let's see which animals are coming out of hibernation. I see the frogs. Come into your little low squat pose. Put your little fingers in front and get nice and springy on your tippy toes, or you can come into flat feet if that feels good in your body. Wherever you are, let's take a moment first and just pause and breathe. When you first wake up, you don't move very quickly. You're just a bit tired, so you can yawn, and stretch over to one side, and yawn, and stretch over to the other side. And now that you're waking up a little bit more, let's take a few frog hops. Keep them small at the beginning. Whoop. Whoop. One more. Whoop. Ooh, good morning, frog. I hope you had a nice rest for winter. Welcome to spring. And the frog hopped away. Speaking of hopping, I think I also see some bunnies. Bunnies. What we're going to do is come onto our hands and knees, and this time we're going to see if we can hop forward and back. Move across your yoga mat. Small ones. Whoop, whoop, and back. Whoop. So we're not going to lift up. We're going to stay low and hop like a bunny. Good job. I see lots of different hoppers today. Everyone's got a different size. Some people hop teeny tiny. Whatever kind of bunny you are, I think you're just perfect. It's so beautiful in springtime. Let's see, what else do we see? Flowers. Beautiful flowers. Take your hand, put them underneath your crisscross legs, and now you can be the flowers here in the meadow. And you can breathe. So calm and so peaceful. So great to be alive here in this meadow. Oh, if you look over there, you're going to see, just like I do, the bears are coming awake and alive. So let's stand up and make your body big. Move slowly as you reach up to the sky and breathe in. And come on forward as you breathe out. Let's do that a few more times. Breathe in and stretch. And breathe out and lower. Warming up into our bear pose. Breathe in, reach up, wiggle your fingers, whole body stretch, and come all the way down. Now hold on to your ankles and let's walk forward and back a few times, just like we did when we were hopping bunnies. Now we're moving bears. Coming alive. And roll all the way up. And let me hear you let out a growl. Growl. I heard you. Very nice and very, very fun. I love that you're having so much fun with me. Okay, another animal that we might see waking up, and the bumblebees bzzz, are waking up and forward. Bzzz. Make sure that you're buzzing just like the bumblebees, breathing. Bzzz. Last time, let those shoulders be nice and open. Bzzz. And the birds were singing so loudly. Let's come into a balancing pose. So breathe in one leg and arms both come up. And breathe out and just keep it low as you fly like a bird. And switch. Other arm, other legs, breathe in and fly like a bird. And hold it here and switch. So everything was perfect in the meadow. What could possibly go wrong? The bugs were having a really good time. They were silly, in fact. Let's come into our bug pose and I'll show you what I mean. On your back, the bugs were just being nuts. You know, when you're having your silliest, happiest day, wiggle your arms and wiggle your legs in the sky and just be a bug that's just having so much fun, and maybe even let out a giggle or two. Oh, they were playing tag. This way, this way. What can go wrong? We love springtime and being a bug until they got stuck. Uh-oh. Help. Help. Are you frozen? We can't get up. What are we gonna do? Nobody could hear them because everybody was so busy enjoying spring themselves. They were stuck. All right, take a deep breath in through your nose. And we're gonna come up. And I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do. We're going to be the adventurers who come and rescue these little bugs. Nature is so important. And as yogis, we love nature and take care of all of life. So we're going to gently turn the bug over. So let's come back into our bug pose and imagine ourselves being the helpers to gently turn the bug over. So breathe. We're stuck. And along comes the yogi helpers and whoop, we get one bug back up. Do it again. Another bug. There are many bugs. Wiggle, stuck, other side, whoop, and get the bug back up. Keep going. Let's see how many bugs we can help. A few more. Well done. You are the hero of the forest. You helped all the bugs get back up. The bugs ran all the way home and they went to hide under the rocks to eat some sweet berries. Let's come into our rock pose. I'm so glad we saved the bugs. I'm so glad that you're my hero. I'm so glad that you're a helper and that you want to help nature just as much as I do. Let's stop for a moment. Put one hand on your heart and one hand on your tummy and just give thanks. Give thanks for your body. Give thanks for your breath. Give thanks for springtime. Give thanks that there are helpers just like you in the world. Let's get back on our yogi bicycle and make our way back to our yoga mats. Here we go. Let's go. 4 more. 3, 2, 1, and race all the way home. We made it. We landed. Safe and sound and stronger and healthier and happier than ever. Arms out to the side. Deep breath in through your nose. And give yourself a hug. I think the bugs would be hugging you. And in my imagination, I'm hugging you. And I'm thanking you. And release. And I will see you soon for another yoga adventure.